Wallace Franks has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. According to Wallace, the fallen angel is a plague vaccine carrier tasked in carrying the Tutti Frutti vaccine to Mega City, a heavily armed vehicle capable of crossing the vast Big Nothing, a radiation desert where huge dust storms destroy anything in their path. This vehicle is the only one capable of making the journey and Mega City's only hope of stopping the virus. I really like the look of this, Wallace, and he mentioned that he used folk art Dragonfly Glaze acrylic violet blue-green shift paint. And I think it turned out really well. Everyone, I hope you enjoy this build as much as I do. Encourage Wallace to do more of these things. And everyone, stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.